My name is Qiaoli Lei from Shie Herbs and Acupuncture Chiropractic Clinic. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cold flu remedies to help your children, your family. There's the ingredients, lemon and then kumquat, and they're from my yard. So I'm just picking up today, so I'm going to make a fresh one. And then we are going to use rock sugar. We're going to use kumquat. So we use 2 pound kumquat. Okay, 100 gram, 200 gram rock sugar. Okay, we're going to use 4 cups of water and then 1 lemon. Okay, so this will make a very delicious syrup or some kind of remedies to help you make a tea. When you have a cough, you can use 1 teaspoon and 1 cup of hot water and to make a tea to drink in the morning or evening. So that will really help the chronic cough, and especially for the children. They're delicious. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to put the water in this pot, and then sugar there. Need 1 more cup of water. Don't light when you light the stove. Go ahead, light. Four cups of water, spoon, so we'll cook it. When the water boils, melt the sugar, and then we'll put the lemon. We cut the lemon. Let's cut it. Slice. So when you cut the lemon, please remove those seeds because the seeds will be bitter. And then we'll put it, cook it with the kumquat together. We boil it first, and then we slow heat cook for 1 hour about until they make it like a syrup and dry. And then you can put it in a clean sealed container, and then you can put it in the refrigerator. You can use it for a long time. Okay, so we're ready to, after the boil the water and then melt the rock sugar. We're going to put the kumquat. That's 1 pound. 2 pounds. And then we boil it for almost about 1 hour. So look at this. There's a high heat. So after boil that, we turn down. Show the heat. Okay. That's the highest one there. And then after boiled it, we turn down to the small heat and for 1 hour. Okay? So now we can put the highest one. And then we'll be good after 1 hour. We'll show you later after we made it. Okay? So it's boiled. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And then continue to boil it. Make it smaller here. Very small. Very smaller. And then cover it. Keep it good chew there. Just wait it. Okay. We still use Jin Ji rock sugar to cook with kumquat to make crystallized kumquat tea. They're very good for chronic cough, remove the mucus. They will nourish your lung, especially for the children and then elderly. They're very good for the bronchitis, asthma, and then cold and flu. So they taste pretty good. They really smells really delicious also. Great. After 1 hour boiling, they make a very strong syrup. It's really sweet and then fragrant. We make this tea, put in the cup, like it. You can put a 2 piece, put a boiled hot water. You can put a little bit more syrup if you want, make it stronger. Stir it, and you can try it. They're very good. If there's a lot of vitamin C, it's good for your immune system, and also it's good for your skin, for the beauty, and for people who have cough. And a lot of mucus, it's good for the mucus. Also, it's good for digestion system, and they can help bloating in your stomach, upset stomach, and then prevent cold also. So it's very delicious. Thank you. They made this tea. You're supposed to eat this kumquat. They're very sweet and they're very soft and then delicious. That's the parts we use for medicine. So that's good for your health.